So, Sheikh, my question is, if I have three sources of income, one is pension after retirement from forces, the other is active salary from a French or Paris-based multinational, third is salary from attending meetings of a naval shipping corporation. If the pension comes through the fixed deposits, which mostly doesn't contain interest, but the rest of my salary is coming through deposits, they keep in interest-based banks, and it does carry much amount of interest. So am I only supposed to rely primarily on my pension for my own expenditures and for my personal zakah as well? Because I feel it is less likely to have riba, and leave the salary that I'm sure has more of it because I don't exactly, I can't keep track of it. And does a person need to exchange it?
Wait. How many questions are you asking?
This is one question.
No, these are 7 questions. First of all, the other 2 sources of income that you're getting them as freebies, or you're doing actual work where you're getting paid for?
Actual services.
Come again?
I'm asking in the context of actual services, like attending meetings and then being paid for it.
Okay, these meetings, listen. I understand your questions, so don't make a statement or a lecture, if you please, because our time is limited. When you do these services and they pay you, the services are halal or haram?
The services that the person gives them, they are halal.
Okay.
For example, the
and don't give me examples, ya bint Quraishi. Listen to me. Now, the companies you're serving are halal companies, or they're interest-based companies like banks and insurance companies?
One is a multinational, it has different sections. And the other is a naval shipping corporation board, and their business.
Okay, so first of all, any work you do, any service you do, the income you're getting is not defined by whether the company deals in riba or in haram or etc., and they're giving you money accordingly. It is defined by 2 things. One, is my service halal or not? So my service is halal. I drive a car. I do secretarial work. I do HR. This is totally legit. Number 2, the line of work of the company that is paying you. They manufacture goods, halal goods. They give consultation over medical issues. There's no riba in their line of work. There's no insurance. There's nothing haram. However, they may put some money in the bank and they get interest money, which is not their line of work. So whatever service I'm providing for them and they're paying me, this is totally halal. Because if you look at all Muslim countries, you will find that all Muslim countries deal in riba. So I'm a teacher in a public school, and my country deposits billions and billions in interest-based banks and takes riba. And they give me my salary. So is my job haram? Of course not. The sin is on them because this is a country, this is a government. The whole thing is halal, but they have these aspects of haram. So there's nothing wrong in what money you're making. And I hope this answers the question.